Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. All right, what I want to do, I'm going to ask you some questions, team, on the writing exam. How many parts to this exam are there? How many parts? There's actually 3. Do you know what the 3 parts are? This exam has 3 subtests. I mean, the writing section is made up of sort of a multiple choice section, right? What's the other part of this test? There's the essay section, and the essay section has 2 essays, okay? And then there's there's a multiple choice section, there's an essay section, and what's the 3rd section of the communication literacy exam, writing exam? And then there's the short answer stuff, right? So if we want to think about this exam, it's different than the reading, which was just multiple choice. The writing exam is it's almost like a triathlon, right? With 3 separate events, correct? The first one is the multiple choice. Then we have short answers that you have to edit the sentences. Then we have the essays. Okay. How many multiple choice questions are there? Who knows this one? 35 multiple choice questions, which works out conveniently to 35% of your test. How many short answer sentences do you have? 7. Now, each of those 7 is worth double the multiple choice. So you want to think about it. They actually round it up to 15% of your test. So each one of those questions is 2% of your test. They round it up to 15. And then you have these 2 essays. And collectively, those 2 essays combined are worth 50%. Is that right? It's kind of a heavy deal. So those essays are going to be what we do tomorrow. Those essays are 50% of your test. Those essays, team, will make or break your exam because they're weighted so much. Okay? So very, 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 very important. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone, have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.